In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in Bluebeam. So as you can see here, I do have 3 pages in my document right now. The first one is this drawing, and the second one, the third one, are just blank pages, but it's going to work for this tutorial. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Document tab up top, and you want to go over Headers and Footers, hover over that, and click on Add. When you do this, you want to select your document, so I'm going to click on this one, and then click on Next. In here, you'll have to basically select where you want your page numbers to be. So for example, I want them to be over here in the center, up top, over here, and that's going to be cool for me, but of course you can do whatever you want. You can position them anywhere, and then you want to click on page numbers over here, and you can select, of course, however you want them to look. I just want it to be page 1 of n, or in page 2 of n, and stuff like that, and then start number is going to be 1, and I'm going to click on OK over here, and then you can also change the size. I'm going to do 20 over here, and that's going to work perfectly, and after that, you can just click on OK. And as you can see, there we go. My page numbers have been added. Up top says page 1 of 3. If I go to the second one, this one says page 2 of 3. And then the third one says page 3 of 3. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.